Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be thrifting for the garden. Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean we can't start looking for things to put in the garden. One of the things that I love to thrift for is metal art, and the last couple times I've been to this Goodwill I've seen the same piece of metal art, so if it's here today I'm totally going to get it. I'm also looking for birdhouses because I've been making over birdhouses, so let's just get in there and see what we can find. The piece of art is here. Here it is. I'll take this. Last time I was here there wasn't a price, but today there is, and I'm getting it. Okay, well now that that's squared away, let's see what else we can find. I was looking for these last summer. I'd preferably want to find one that's a little larger. It's kind of a lot too for such a smaller bucket. I mean, it's not tiny, but I don't know. What are these? What is this? Oh, like the little, I forget what those are called. Oh, here's a decent pot with the soil still in it. $3. $7. Ooh, that thing's kind of heavy actually. This glass area, I was hopeful to find some tall cylinder, something like this for the newest house makeover. Oh my gosh, this is actually plastic. This may actually be better than a glass one because of the breakable factor. So if I could find another one of these, that would be amazing. Which there might be another one right back here, but I think this one's glass. Oh yeah, this is something else. That's a fun shape though. Could use like two little ones. 89 cents. So I've been seeing a ton of these knife blocks, and I was wondering how you could maybe repurpose that into something else, and I actually just had an idea of how I could use these for especially this house that I think I'm gonna do this week. So I may grab one of these if the price is right. I'm also finding more than I expected to find, so I need to grab a cart because I'm going to drop something. But here are one of those blocks. See how much they're wanting. No price. Here's another one right in front of me. I mean, these are like, there's so many every store I go to. So if we could turn these into something, that would be cool. That one also does not have a price. Be right back. Okay, found another one, but it's really heavy, so let me put some stuff down. And then maybe I can grab it. Oh my gosh, this is big. Okay, maybe they just don't even intend to sell them, so they don't even get a price. Does that mean it's free? I found one with a price, $6 for that. So not really the right price for me for this project, but I'm sure some of the other ones I found in other stores could possibly be cheaper. Got the goodies. Supposed to possibly snow tomorrow, and it's kind of looking like it. Let's go see what we can find in here. Okay, so I'm looking for something that I can use on the sides of this birdhouse to give the effect of a larger place, because I'm not sure if I've shared what this birdhouse is going to be transformed into yet, so I don't want to give away the surprise, but I'm seeing some good things. But anyway, yes, we need to give the effect of a larger birdhouse without adding too much. I'm looking for maybe some baskets or wooden blocks that we can use to help out with that. Hey, in the home accents section, I'm seeing some pretty great prices on some fun home decor. Ooh, metal art. Always love seeing that. Great for the garden. Shout out to my Hoosier State family. These gorgeous. Always love seeing those. And actually I don't really find those a lot anymore. I've got plenty in my own personal stash, but ooh, this is fun. Can use all kinds of stuff outside in the garden. Okay, here we have our baskets. Anything that I could use off to the side. Potentially this, if I turned it upside down. Oh, what is this? And for 99 cents, that might just be something I get because I know I will use again. I think I'm gonna grab these. Okay, let's see if we can find some, well, I guess that was it for baskets, but I'm looking for some wooden blocks. Okay, here's kind of along the lines of something I'm looking for, but this is an actual box and I don't want to take it if I'm gonna be not even using the lid. Ooh, we've got some fun options right here. Could even use some pots to give the effect. And that is such a great price. Look at all these planters and things. I mean, I could just use an actual planter. I'll be turning it upside down. Kind of want something a little bit more block shaped or square shaped like a building would be. There's something else. Box. This is actually pretty cute. For inside. Lazy Susan. Liking the thought of these because turned over we could use that, and the fact that they're plastic they could last outside a little bit better, so this is a good option. Cute. I don't see the price. There's the price. This is actually pretty cool. I think this is like a bathroom set. Maybe a little too much going on there. I think some more baskets that could be good to give the effect that I'm looking for. And again, for these prices, awesome. Kind of missed this whole aisle when I was coming in, but I found some more birdhouses. I was about to leave, but behind me I just discovered a ton of metal art. Oh, I see some really pretty designs, but they're kind of like all piled up on top of each other. But if I really cared to dig through here, I see some fun shapes. Actually, a lot of it looks like wreath. I forget what those are called. And then we've got, oh, this is, okay, so that cool shape is attached to this. And last year, one of you lovely subscribers or someone commenting said you can just cut these off and we could use it to feed the birds if you wanted to use it outside. I love hanging these on the fence to put suet into the little area where you would put the plate. And there's another one right here. Let's see what they want for these. $2.99 for this one. That's amazing. Let's do a thrift haul. I was elated that this metal art piece was still there. It was meant to be. I plan on creating a butterfly installation of some kind in the garden this spring, whether it be against the fence or I thought it might be cool to try to hang the butterfly somehow. I also picked up these glass vessels, little vases, and I'm going to be using them to create the factory for the birdhouse. The next birdhouse to be made over is going to be pretty fantastical, but that's what's so exciting about it. And I thought those would make excellent stacks for our factory. I just loved the look of these metal pots. Turns out they're made in Portugal. They're very nice quality. They're each nice and hefty, which I like. And I really thought that City Thrift had great prices when it came to these smaller items. Same with these plastic baskets here. When you can compete with Dollar Tree and it's great quality, to me, that's a win in my book. Here's the glorious birdhouse that will be made over next. We'll be turning this birdhouse into our favorite chocolatier's factory, Mr. Willy Wonka himself. I love the metal on this house. We're going to be keeping that beautiful chocolate brown, but I will be changing it up. We're going to be adding those plastic baskets, adding those glass cylinders, and I hope you'll stay tuned for this makeover because it's sure to be a great one. If you enjoyed this video today, friends, be sure to hit that hype button on your way out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time.